If you own a DJI Mini 3 Pro, you already know how important reliable charging is. The G30W charging adapter is designed specifically for this drone, ensuring you get consistent power without risking your equipment. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about keeping their drone ready to fly at a moment's notice. Unlike generic chargers that promise high wattage but may harm your drone or controller, this genuine DJI adapter offers peace of mind. After spending over $1,400 on the Mini 3 Pro and accessories, it's understandable why many users prefer an official charger that guarantees compatibility and safety. This charger isn't just about safety, it delivers solid performance. It efficiently powers the Mini 3 Pro and several other DJI models, including the Osmo Action 3, DJI Mini SE, Mini 2, and Mavic Mini series. That versatility makes it a practical choice if you own multiple DJI devices or plan to upgrade in the future. One user pointed out a key frustration: this essential charger isn't included with the drone itself. Considering the investment in the drone and controller, having to purchase the charger separately feels like a missed opportunity by DJI. Still, the charger's reasonable price and reliable performance make it worth adding to your gear. Ordering through Amazon is straightforward, and although delivery can take some time, the product arrives as expected, genuine, well-made, and fully compatible. If you want to avoid the risks of aftermarket chargers, this OEM adapter is the safest bet. What you get with this adapter is more than just power, it's confidence in your drone's longevity and performance. No guesswork about compatibility, no worries about damaging expensive electronics. Just a dependable charging solution designed by DJI for DJI. If that's you, someone who values reliability and wants to protect their investment, this charging adapter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your drone's charging setup and enjoy the convenience of genuine DJI quality. In the end, the G30W charging adapter stands out as a simple but crucial accessory. It keeps your Mini 3 Pro and other DJI devices charged safely and efficiently. Don't overlook this piece of gear, it's a small addition that makes a big difference.